Dear students, today we will learn about the system unit. The system unit is the main body of the computer. It is a case that contains different electronic components of the computer. These components include a central processing unit, memory, for example, RAM and ROM, disk drives, power supply, computer fan, and other electronic components. All these components are connected to the motherboard inside the system unit. All computers and mobile devices have a system unit. Dear students, as you know, the input-output devices and some storage devices such as USB flash drive are connected with the system unit. Different types of computers have system units of different shapes and sizes. In laptop computers, the keyboard with the pointing device is built on the top of the system unit. The display screen is attached to the system unit with hinges. Similarly, in mobile devices and many other mobile computers, the display screen and keyboard are often built on the system unit.